Abesiga Mukama
Baliŋŋanga olusozi Sayuuni olutajjulukuka, naye lunywera emirembe gyonna. Who trust in the Lord are like Mount Zion, which cannot be shaken, but endures forever.
Abesiga Mukama
Baliŋŋanga,
Baliŋŋanga olusozi Sayuuni
olutajjulukuka,
naye lunywera emirembe gyonna.
as the mountains
Surround Jerusalem,
so the Lord surrounds
His people
both now and forevermore.
obakolenge ebirungi
Ayi Mukama
abalungi
nabo balina emitima
egitali gya mukusa.
The scepters of the wicked will not remain over the land allotted to the righteous. For then the righteous might use their hands to do evil. Kubango muko bufuga obo bubite kulibererawo,
Kumugabugwa abatukirivu
abatukirivu balemenga okugolola emikono gyabwe okukola ebitasaana. As the mountains,
surround Jerusalem,
so the Lord surrounds
His people
both now and forevermore.
obakolenge ebirungi
Ayi
Ayi Mukama abalungi
nabo balina emitima
egitali gya mukusa.
Lord, do good to those who are good, to those